Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen Amarok S 3.2 3.0 237HP A10A in sleek grey. This Crew KAB beauty is packed with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth and lane departure warning for a smooth and safe ride. With ABS, parking assistance and collision avoidance braking, your safety is our priority. Boasting a powerful 3-litre engine and automatic transmission, this Amarok is ready for any adventure. And with privacy glass and side steps, you'll turn heads wherever you go. Rest assured, with our full health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing. Don't miss out. Call us or visit laharts.ie today for more information on this incredible vehicle. Drive home in style with the Volkswagen Amarok S.